I never look for that. But there are times in which I experience like absolute love for my friend here. That I can experience. I have children, grandchildren, of which I do the cleaning because I want to make sure that I'm not attached to them in any way, so that they can get the information directly from the divinity, not from me. So I'm just cut all the time, and occasionally, when I get a call from my children, I have two daughters, 30 plus, I should feel love for them. In me, that I experience them as, quotes, judging them, how come they don't do this way, they don't do that, and all that. Yeah. And they're beautiful, my children are. Beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. But my responsibility for them is to set them free from any grasp that I have on them, which is memory, like trying to grab them. A memory is a memory. It's a dead memory. There's no such thing as a good memory. If I have, and you know, I'm going to be cleaning with them till the day I die. It's just the way it is. I mean, they're there, I experience them, and I want to make sure I'm just cutting these ties so that they get the information directly from the divinity, not from me. Mm-hmm. So, am I sure? I'm never sure. I don't know that well. I just keep cleaning and cleaning. Yeah. I'm more interested in the experience of freedom.
More than one.
Yeah. It's interesting because that question brings up, there was a chap, they called himself chap,
yes,
in Australia, who I gave a lecture, and he kept saying, now wait a minute, you mean you don't want us to be curious? That's his comeback. I said, well, to be at zero, you can be in awe, but if you want to take curiosity instead of awe, be my guest. Yeah. It's hard to put things down, only because I'm never certain if I'm inspired or not, and yes. To be very honest, I don't care. I'm just doing the cleaning, just non-stop. Yeah. So I don't have any intentions to. For example, people will call me. I used to do these things. I don't do anymore. There's a young man in Hawaii who he's having a very difficult quote. His mother is saying he's having a difficult time. People don't like him. He's not doing well at school, and so as I'm reading the email, I'm doing the cleaning. What's going on in me? This is showing up. And then she asked how to help him, and I had to remind her, you're not helping him. It's only about you. What's going on in you that you're experiencing that way? Somebody asked me that, but they asked me in a different way. This is the way they asked me. They asked me, how did you come around to doing this? And I said, I don't know. Life is a mystery, and I just happen to be here in this moment, and there are all the forces, and I have no idea how these forces brought me here. But I'm clear though, I'm here to clean with you chair, the board, this guy, the camera, that thing is going to get on the internet, going to get on shows, and the shows are all generated by oil. You know that, right? You have a cell phone?
Yes.
You know what the power of that cell phone is? Oil. Without the oil, that you guys wouldn't have any. Couldn't generate a cell phone message. It all goes back. So I'm cleaning with that. The rape of Mother Earth.
I know.
We're raping Mother Earth, but we can't help it. So I have to remind myself, nobody can help it, everybody's stuck in programs, and so somebody's got to get to the cleaning, and I'm willing to do it. Marvin's willing to do it. More and more people around the world are willing to do it.